Hello class. Today's lesson is on pennies, dimes, and nickels. To start off, why don't we talk about how are we going to write the amount of money that we have? A penny is worth 1 cent. A nickel is worth 5 cents. And a dime is worth 10 cents. Let's talk about characteristics of each one of these before we get started. This is a penny. It's a copper-colored coin. It's probably the middle-sized one of these three. It has a picture of Abraham Lincoln on the front, and the side of it is smooth. On our nickel, we have President Thomas Jefferson on the front. It's silver-colored, and this is the largest coin of the three. It's also smooth on the side. And here's our dime. It has a picture of President Franklin Roosevelt on the front. It's silver colored, it's very thin and very lightweight, and it's the smallest of these three, and it has ridges on its side. So, it's important to remember that just because a nickel is bigger than both a penny and a dime doesn't mean it's worth more money. It is worth more money than the penny, but a dime is worth more money than a nickel, even though it's the smallest coin. So when we're writing our 1 cent, this is our cent sign. It's a letter C and a line through it. So that way people know that you're talking about this is 1 cent. What if we have 3 pennies? How are we going to be able to tell how much money we have? Well, we know that 1 penny is worth 1 cent. And here we have another penny, which is also equal to 1 cent. And the same with this one. It is 1 cent. So to figure out how much money we have right here, we'll just add all of these together. So we have 1 cent plus 1 cent is 2, plus another cent is 3 cents. So 3 pennies equals 3 cents. Why don't we try that with the nickels? So we have 3 nickels here. We know that 1 nickel is equal to 5 cents. Same here, and same here. We're going to add all those together. 5 plus 5 plus 5. 5 plus 5 is 10, plus 5 is 15. So 3 nickels equals 15 cents. Let's do the same thing with the dimes. We know a dime equals 10 cents, plus another 10 cents for this dime, plus another 10 cents for this dime. 10 plus 10 plus 10 is 30 cents. So 3 dimes is 30 cents. Now, why don't we try doing something a little bit harder? What if I have 2 dimes, 2 nickels, and 3 pennies? How will I figure out how much money I have now? Well, we'll line these all up for our equation. Our dime is worth 10 cents. And here we have another dime. Now, a nickel is not the same as a dime, so it might be easy to think I'm just going to add 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10, but that's not right. We know that a nickel is worth 5, so we have to remind ourselves that we're not just counting by the same number as we go across. We have 10 cents and 10 cents And then we shift. Our nickel is 5 cents, and here we have another nickel, which is also 5 cents. And now we have our pennies, which are each 1 cent. And then we put our equal sign. 10 plus 10 equals 20 cents. Plus 5 plus 5, which is 10 cents. And then our 3 pennies. 1, 2, 3 cents. 20 plus 10 is 30. 30 plus 3 is 33 cents. So all of these coins right here equal 33 cents. Now, we'll be working on some more of these problems in class tomorrow. So just remember, the most important thing to remember is that just because a coin is bigger than another doesn't mean that it's worth more. And don't forget, this is what your cent sign looks like. See you in class tomorrow.